Soon, Percy, Elijah, Liz, and Thomas were waiting. There were two engines. Who are those? Oh, the magic engines lady. And that's Stephanie. Hello. Stephanie, your turn. Where have you been? Well, I've been in Magic World, so I decided to go for a visit. After Brimstone died. Oh, rest in peace, Brimstone. Yeah, I came for a visit, too. We're gonna stay here for a couple days. Well, welcome back. Yep, welcome back indeed. Yeah. Well, ever since my brother Sea-Turtle came to the Sodor. Yeah, my rival. Rival? What do you mean rival? Yeah, what do you mean rival? I didn't know you have a rival to Thomas's brother. Liz explained. Oh. You're right. Well, strange. Very strange indeed. Yeah. Soon, Stephanie and Lady went to do the work. Lady was putting on the Thomas's branch line with the windmill. They didn't arrive at Brandon Docks. Well, nice to see you back, Lady. Yeah. But meanwhile, Belco's had to take a goods train. Oh, hello, Lady. Hello, Belco. It's been a long time. Me too. Where's your brother Roderick? He hadn't changed for a while. Well, my bad, Lady. Bye, Belco. Soon, Belco had to take a goods train. Vans. All right, is everyone ready? Yes. Soon, Belco then arrived at Vickerstown Station. The vans were bored. Why do we have to pull this green box cap? Yeah. Just as Belco's pub was rolling away, he then saw a lone truck. Oh, hello, you. Do you need a ride? No, thank you. I'm just waiting for my goods train to come. The engine left. Oh. Should I help you? No, I'm okay, I'm fine. No truck left on the main line. Well, I must take her there. And Belco soon coupled up to the truck. Wait a minute, that's a trick. You can't take me. This is a kind of trick. No, it isn't. Right? Says the tank engine. The tank engine is coming for you. What are you talking about? Watch out! Huh? You're coming with me. Wait. Ah! Told you. Where's Boko? He's supposed to be coming an hour ago. Yeah! Where is he? You ever see him? I don't know where Boko is. The last time I saw him, he was in the main line. I wonder if Sea Turtle idea.